Hello viewers, welcome to AudioViz 360. This is MI Band 6. So the battery backup of this is not good. So I am going to replace the battery of this MI Band 6. So we have to tear this down. To tear this down, we have to give some heat to take out this display, LED display, LCD display. After that there will be motherboard. Behind that motherboard there will be battery. So after removing the battery, we have to check the size of the battery so that we can install the battery to this MI Band 6. So alright, let me give some heat and take the display out here. So I have given the heat, the display has come out. We have to pry it very carefully, otherwise you will end up breaking the LCD. So this has been removed without any breakage. So this is perfect. So now we have to remove this sticker here. There will be strip for this LCD. So slowly by prying this we can lift the sticker. So I'm going to keep this safely. So alright, now we have to slowly lift this lock so that we can take out the LCD display. That's it, without breaking I have taken out. So now slowly by pulling it, this is the LCD of this MI Band 6. So let me keep this LCD separately. So now we have to take out this sticker here. There is one more flux cable, tiny flux cable. There are two screws here as well. We have to remove that to take out the motherboard. So you can see this is the tiny heat resistant sticker. So alright, let me take out the screws here. You can see there is two screws here, very tiny screws. Let me take that out. Let me take that out. So the screw is coming. That's it. There is one more screw here. These are very tiny components, so we have to be very careful, otherwise we will destroy the watch here. If you are a bit expert in this, you can do, otherwise you can send it to me, I can replace it on behalf of you. So again you can see there is a tiny flux cable here. So we have to lift this lock again slowly, otherwise if the lock breaks then it will be difficult. So now I have lifted the lock. Now slowly by pulling this flux cable will come out. You can see like this, we have to take this out. Now this motherboard should come out. Now you can see I have lifted the motherboard very carefully. There is a tiny flux cable here as well, so be careful with that. So this is the battery, smallest battery, tiny battery. So let me see whether the battery is available with me of this size. This is a bit bulged, so this is bad. This is of 2 wires battery, plus and minus. So let me check the battery and come here. So now I have found similar size battery. You can see this is of similar size, similar backup you will get, or little bit more backup you may get, because this is bit high quality battery and little bit bigger than this. This is original. This is also original, but the actual original battery size is little bit smaller than this battery. So the battery backup you may get little bit more. So let's start replacing the battery. So we have to take out these two black and white wire, black and red wire here. So after taking that out, we have to install this red and black wire same contacting points, and we have to paste the battery. We have to take out this battery. This has been pasted. So let me do that. We have to be very careful because these pretty delicate flex cables are there. So alright, this is the battery. This is of 190 mAh. It is written 3.7 volts. So let's take out the soldering. Let's take out the thin soldering and remove the terminals here. But before that, let me zoom you and show. The red should go to proper that terminal plus, and the minus should go to proper that terminal minus. Alright, let me do that. Let me take out the wires here. So alright, so this is the old battery and this is the new battery. Let's see, let's compare the size. You can see the difference. So this may give good backup if this fits in this watch, otherwise I have to find smaller size battery. So alright, let me try fixing this new battery in this. So this battery is bit bigger, it is not fitting in the watch. So I found one more battery. So you can see this is of little bit bigger size further, but I think this will fit. So let's see whether this will fit or not. There is a sticker here in the new battery that I have to remove because the thickness of the battery is also more. So let me remove the sticker and let me install the battery, and let's see whether this fits in the watch or not. So I have installed the new battery here, so I think this is fitting perfectly. Let me position this because showing in the video is a bit difficult. Let me position this and come back. So alright, I have positioned this. I'm just tightening the screws here. This is fine. So that's it. Now we have to install the flex cable and install the display here, and let's see whether this turns on or not. So finally I have installed the battery and everything is perfect. You can see it is turned on. Maybe a bit difficult to see. Yeah, you can see 6:12 time has come. So finally I have installed the battery. Now it's time to just paste this LCD display. Yeah, now it's time. Finally I have installed the battery. Now it's time to place the LCD display using the T7000 glue. So this is a perfect glue to install. So let me apply the glue here in the frame of this housing. So after installing this, let me come here. You can see the time is showing here 6:15. So alright, it has been pasted. You can see it is very cleanly, neatly repair work has done. So if you have anything like this, please do message on the above WhatsApp number. I will replace the batteries behalf of you. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to AudioWiz360 and hit that notification bell icon and write comment in the comment section below. I have uploaded so many videos in this channel AudioWiz360. Please go through it. If you like, please don't forget to subscribe. If you subscribe, it will motivate me to make more of like these videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.